Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow with nothing. No savings, no job, no rich uncle to call. Just you, your mind, and the clothes on your back. Terrifying, right? But here's the shocking truth. Some of today's wealthiest people started exactly there, flat broke, with every odd stacked against them. The difference? They followed a proven path from poverty to prosperity. And today, FinanceWise is going to walk you through that exact 10-step roadmap that transformed nobodies into legends. This isn't theory. This is the playbook used by self-made millionaires from Oprah to Elon Musk. Let's begin your transformation. Step 1. Escape survival mode, breaking the chains of poverty. Your brain is wired for survival. When you're constantly stressed about rent, food, and safety, you're trapped in what psychologists call scarcity mindset. David Goggins, once a 300-pound exterminator, faced this daily. But his breakthrough came when he realized poverty isn't just about money, it's about mental slavery. He started waking up at 3 a.m. to train, studied when exhausted, and rewired his brain to see struggle as fuel. Within years, he became a Navy SEAL and world record holder. Your first wealth hack? Audit your environment. Are people around you keeping you small? Is your daily routine designed for survival or success? Escape requires sacrifice. Cancel Netflix, ditch energy vampires, and create a war room, even if it's just a corner table, where you strategize your escape. Step 2. The responsibility revolution. No more excuses. J.K. Rowling's rock bottom wasn't poverty. It was realizing she'd been blaming her ex-husband, the government, even her own depression for her failures. The day she took full responsibility, magic happened, literally. She wrote Harry Potter in stolen moments, submitted it to 12 publishers, all rejections, and kept going until one said yes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Every minute you spend blaming your upbringing, the economy, or bad luck is a minute stolen from your future. Exercise, grab paper, write down 3 current problems. Now cross out every external excuse. Boss is unfair, market is bad. Rewrite them as Oz statements. I need new skills to earn more. I choose to spend less. This is the mindset that builds empires. Step 3. Vision crafting, designing your billion-dollar blueprint. In 1992, Damon John maxed out credit cards to sew hats in his mom's basement. But he didn't just want money. He visualized FUBU on every hip-hop artist, calculated exact production costs, and mapped store placements. Most people fail because their vision is foggy. Yours must be HD. Try this. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Describe your ideal life 5 years from now, down to the car model, neighborhood, and morning routine. Now work backward. What's the 1-year milestone? The 90-day target? Wealthy people don't just set goals, they architect futures. Pro tip, create a vision board, digital or physical, with images of your dream life. Neuroscience shows this boosts motivation by 42%. Step 4, skill acquisition, the million-dollar education. Chris Gardner's turning point wasn't getting the stockbroker job. It was the 6 months he spent studying 12 hours a day while homeless. He knew this. The market pays absurd premiums for rare skills. Today, AI prompt engineers earn $300,000 with no degree. The formula? Identify high-income skills, tech, sales, copywriting, then adopt the 10,000-hour rule. But here's the shortcut. Instead of generic courses, find the exact skills your dream clients pay for. Example, if you want real estate wealth, study tax lien investing, not just sales. FinanceWise challenge. This week, spend 2 hours researching the highest paid skill in your field. Then, take 1 lesson. Rinse, repeat. Step 5. The stealth wealth strategy, money mechanics. Shaq's $400 million comeback wasn't luck. It was mastering the invisible rules. After blowing his first $1 million, he hired a financial SWAT team. They automated his finances. 25% to investments, 10% to charity, 5% to play money. Most people budget, wealthy people engineer cash flow. Action steps. 1. Open 2 new accounts: Freedom Fund, investments, and Financial Firewall, emergencies. 2. Negotiate 1 recurring bill today: phone, insurance. Small wins compound. Remember, the goal isn't to save. It's to create a money machine that grows while you sleep. Step 6. Systems over hustle, escaping the hamster wheel. Warren Buffett's pinball machines taught him the golden rule: money should work harder than you do. Modern example: a FinanceWise follower automated a Shopify store, then used profits to buy laundromats. Now he earns $30,000 per month passively. Your homework, audit or time. What repetitive tasks can systemize? Could outsource admin work for $30,000 per month passively. Your homework, audit our time. What repetitive tasks can systemize? Could outsource admin work for $5 per hour on Fiverr? Could AI write your emails? This week, eliminate or delegate one-time suck. Time is your scarcest resource. Guard it like Fort Knox. Step 7. Asset accumulation, the art of buying freedom. Robert Kiyosaki's rich dad taught him, the poor buy liabilities, cars, TVs. The rich buy assets, rentals, stocks, IP. Here's how to start small. 1. House hack, rent out spare rooms. 2. Invest $50 per week index funds, try Acorns. 3. Buy undervalued items at auctions, storageunits.com, then flip. The magic: assets have compound interest. Einstein 8th wonder. Example: $50 per week index funds, try Acorns. 3. Buy undervalued items at auctions, storageunits.com, then flip. The magic: assets have compound interest. Einstein's 8th wonder. Example: $500 per month in SPY stocks at 10% return equals $1 million in 25 years. Money grows best when untouched, like a sequoia tree. Step 8. The long game, delayed gratification mastery. Jeff Bezos famously asked his team, "How do we make decisions that pay off in 7 years?" Most people quit when results take 7 weeks. Stanford's marshmallow test proved it. Kids who waited 15 minutes for 2 marshmallows grew into more successful adults. Apply this. 1. Invest in learning, not just earning. 2. Reinvest profits instead of buying toys. 3. Ignore get-rich-quick noise. Play chess, not checkers. Step 9. Identity shift, becoming who you need to be. Arnold Schwarzenegger didn't get lucky. He rebuilt himself 3 times. Bodybuilder, 5 a.m. workouts. Actor, English lessons daily. Governor, policy deep dives. Here's your transformation kit. 1. Wardrobe, dress like your future self now. 2. Vocabulary, eliminate broke talk. 3. Circle, join masterminds, meetup.com. Fake it till you become it. Step 10. Legacy building, the ultimate wealth test. Andrew Carnegie didn't just donate libraries, he funded 2,509 of them. Why? He knew true wealth is measured by impact. Your legacy starts today. 1. Mentor someone, free. 2. Document your journey, blog, vlog. 3. Allocate 1% of income to causes. As the proverb goes, society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they'll never sit under. This is your crossroads moment. You can bookmark this video and return to the same struggles. Or you can take step 1 today. Comment "I'm in" below. Let's see who's serious. And if you're ready for the deep dive, smash subscribe. FinanceWise delivers million-dollar tactics every week. Remember, every fortune starts with a decision. What's yours?